Hey guys, welcome to VlogTech, and before we start I would like to really thank all of you for subscribing to my channel. I recently saw that I have 10 subscribers, which is really important for me, and I just saw today it was 15, so that's really great. So I'd like to celebrate. Okay, so I'm thinking of improving the sound quality of my channel, and all this time out of my two videos the sound quality wasn't that great, so I have planned to make it better. So I thought of purchasing a recorder rather than a microphone. Thing is, I wanted to purchase a recorder because it will be also handy for me to carry it to other places with a good audio quality. Like if I'm going outside or something, I can use my earphones or which has the microphone and record voice on this, and merge it with the video and make it better. So let's begin. This is my recorder. I just got it yesterday. This is the name of this, and the link for this recorder will be given in the description. The name is Zoom H1 recorder, portable handy recorder. So I'll just open it. So yeah, this is the balloon thing that you get, and everybody likes playing with it. And here it is. So this is Zoom H1 handy recorder, as you can see here. I'll just show you. So this is the Zoom H1 handy recorder. I'll just see what all specs are here. It's behind this actually. I'll just show you inside. You can open it from here. This is VR for creators. That's the message that they give. So let's open it. This is the recorder. This is the manual and the warranty card. So let's open this. So you get a micro SD card and an adapter with it, 2 GB micro SD card. This is the SD card usage precaution and stuff. You get a lot of papers here in this. So yeah, and this is the Zoom warranty registration information. So you'll have to register for it. So this is the warranty card. Yeah, so let's move on. So here's the card, and this is the recorder, and also you get a AA battery with it. So let's open this. So this is the Zoom H1 handy recorder, and well, this looks like some gadget with these two microphones, which is pretty cool. And you have many buttons here: play, pause, rewind, forward, input level. You can put a microphone or a mic for this. This is delete button, on, hold. You get a mini USB port, and also you get micro SD slot is here. I'll just show you. And this is the line out. So I mean, if you put your earphones or something, you can listen while recording through this socket here or pin here. 3.5 mm jack pin is available, so you can use this. And also it has a tripod mount, so also if you're planning to carry your tripod or whatever it is, monopod or whatever, you still have a mount here, so you can just put it there and use it. it's pretty light and it's very simple to operate. I guess this is the record button, so basically all the functions should start by pressing this button here. It also has this external speaker, so always don't need a earphone to listen to your voice. So that's there, and I'll just put the AA battery here, single AA battery. So here we go. I'll put the memory card in its slot. This is rechargeable, by the way. You don't always need to use AA batteries, but right now I haven't charged it, so let's start it. I'll put the micro SD card in this and show you. So here, so this is how it will go in. Oops. Yeah, so there you go. I'll just switch it on, and you have to just put it on from here, and you see this is how it switches on. So you have to set the date for it, a date, month and all the stuff, I think. Yeah, so this is how it works. You can see the sound levels here. So this looks pretty cool, and I think this should work well. You can see the battery here. Then still you can record for such a long time. And yeah, I'll just show you the testing of this. So this is the recorder, and I'll review it in the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.